Hello friends, I am Sparsha. Few years back, when I was working on my terrace with my compost bin, one of my friends asked me, "What are you doing with this garbage?" I told, "I'm making compost." He asked, "Is it not available in the market? How much does it cost? And how much do you need?" I said the price and the requirement. He then told me, "Then why you are wasting time doing all this?" I didn't reply him then and told it is my pleasure, so I do it. But today, in this video, I'll tell the reason why I make compost and I'll show you how I do it nowadays. Let's start the video. Let me start with why I make the compost. Number one, this is the best food we can give to our plants. And if properly made, the homemade compost have all the nutrients and micronutrients the plant may need. Number three, this is the best way to recycle the natural resource we consume. We can give back the substantial amount we take away from nature. It is our duty. Next, we reduce our carbon footprint by making compost from our kitchen waste. Let me explain. More than 50% of the household waste generated are organic and recyclable. If we don't recycle them, they will go to the landfill and ultimately wasted by producing the methane gas and thereby polluting the environment. Last but not the least, my family members and kids learned to segregate the waste from organic to inorganic. They realize the value of recycling and proactively try to reduce the carbon footprint. Anyone who agree to the reasons I just narrated, they should not hesitate to recycle their kitchen waste for the betterment of the environment. Let me now tell you how presently I am making the compost. Since last 7 years, I did it in several ways, aerobic and anaerobic, that is Bokashi method. But since Waste Decomposer has become available to me, I use the method which I am going to show you now. This is the place on my terrace which is under the water tank where my compost factory is. You can see 5 buckets. The last 2 of them has Waste Decomposer solution in it. I'll show you the first 3 later in this video. If you are unaware of what Waste Decomposer is, you can go through the links I have given in the description box to know about this. This is a sack where I kept the dry leaves. These are browns and very essential to make the compost. Now, carefully look at the buckets. They are 20-liter paint buckets. You can get it easily in the market. Notice the holes I made at the bottom part of the bucket. I made 4 holes at 4 sides at same level for all the 3 compost bins. I cover them with lids to prevent insect or fly problems. Holes at the bottom is sufficient to aerate the compost. The level of the hole I keep low so that the leach will not overflow the tray and I get time to empty the tray without much mess. This bucket is about 2 months old, so there is almost no leach. The second one is most active and running bucket, so the leach is maximum. Now have a look at the second bucket, which is active and running now. It takes 1 month to fill the bucket, so I keep 3 buckets. How it works, it will be clear to you once you see the full video. This first bucket was full about 20 days back when I started the second one to fill the container. Notice the reduction of volume and the brownish black color of the content. Now I'll fill today's waste to the second bucket. The process is simple. Just pour the waste. Remember, no cooked food, meat or fishes or oil to be added. It will create nuisance by attracting insects and rodents and bad odor. It will increase the composting time considerably. You can see there is a tissue paper in the waste that is biodegradable, so I let it be there. Keep the content loose. It is an aerobic process. Air should pass and make the composting happen. The whole composting process generates sufficient heat which you can feel if you touch the bucket from outside when composting is actively happening. Don't forget to add dry leaves. You should add at least half of your waste volume as dry leaves. That will add brown to the compost and make the compost complete. Now I am adding Waste Decomposer solution to it. Here the tip is keep the moisture 60%. That means keep the mixture very moist but not soggy. Cover with lid as I said before. Now the first bin. It was full about 20 days ago, as I said before. Now I'll turn the materials upside down as much as I can. This will hasten the composting process by better aeration. If you can't do this, composting will still happen, but more time will be required. If I see any dryness, I'll add Waste Decomposer solution to it to keep the moistness to 60%, but at present it is not required, it is sufficiently moist. I use the leach mixing with mustard cake ferment and drench them to the soil. I have uploaded a video on it. You may see the video by going through the link in the description box. Now see the final product about after 2 months of filling up the bucket. You can see the fluffy compost ready to use. Only some eggshells and some very hard and fibrous materials which are not yet decomposed. But I can use them in plants because the remaining matters will decompose with time. None of these buckets has any bad smell except few small flies. Those are really unavoidable, and no other insect other than them could be seen. The whole process is very neat and tidy. Hope this video will help you to start your kitchen composting process. If you have any question, ask me in the comment box. I'll try to answer. Like the video if it has helped you. Share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for viewing.